Welcome to my channel Aim's Diary. Here I share healthy hair care tips so you can feel confident taking care of your hair at home. Now let's get started. In this video you are getting useful tips on how to wash your scalp and hair. First, we're starting off with completely wetting my hair. My hair gets wet easily, so it doesn't take much time. Also, I'm using my fingertips to loosen up the dirt on my scalp. Rubbing the shampoo between your hands is a great way to activate the shampoo before adding it to your scalp. So as you can see, I am activating the shampoo and I am only applying the shampoo on my scalp. Whenever you feel like your scalp isn't fully saturated with a shampoo, then add more. It is so important that your scalp is saturated so that you can really wash your scalp. To dilute the shampoo on your scalp, add some water, and that way is also a great indicator to see if your scalp is fully saturated with a shampoo. After massaging the shampoo on my scalp, I just rinse it out with water and then I go for a second round. When washing your scalp, you will notice that the more your scalp and your hair is clean, the more a product will lather up. So when I first applied the shampoo, you didn't really see much lather, but the second time around, see the difference? So that is a great indication that, okay, my hair is not dirty compared the first time I applied the shampoo to my scalp. I know there's a whole debate that you only wash your scalp and not your hair. As you can see in the video, the moment that you apply a shampoo to your scalp and you're rinsing out the shampoo, it will go down your hair. After rinsing out the shampoo, I like to feel on my hair. I like to see if my hair is moisturized or is it dry, stiff, is there any breakage. During my hair check, to say it like that, yeah, I just want to see how the shampoo, what type of effect it has on my scalp and hair. Also, I'll always check my scalp. Is my scalp truly clean? And by the looks of it, my scalp is clean. Last time shampooing my hair, also I just use a little bit and look how it lathers up. AKA, that means my scalp is clean. Let me know if this video was helpful, but more important, if you have any questions, please let me know in the comment because I am here to help you so that you can be more confident in taking care of your hair at home. Subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any hair care tips. See you in the next video.